Hi guys, the time has come. After nearly $40,000 worth of Snap-on tools, I finally got the piece de resistance. Anybody want to care to guess what it is? Yes, it's the roll cab toaster. Oh my, oh my. Took me forever to accumulate the credit points to get this little sucker. Sorry, I'm opening it off camera view, but it's coming straight out of the box, never opened before. Instruction manual. As a disgruntled mechanic would say, blah blah blah. Let's see. Let's see if this will drop out. There we go. Nothing else in the box. That's too bad. Wow, this is really nice and red. Why am I thinking this was opened before? Every time I buy something from Snap-on, sorry, I didn't buy this, I got it for free. But every time I get a package from Snap-on, I always get the feeling that it was opened before. And which makes me think that it's a return, a demo, or what have you. So anyways, here's a 360 view. There's the front end. There's the one side. There's the back. Focus. That's the control center side. So you've got, there's a cancel button. Wow. Repeat and a defrost. Reheat. Sorry, my eyes aren't focusing. And then obviously the big lever here. Pull down, and then how toasty do you want it? Toasty buttons or rotating buttons. So let me see here. It says cancel, reheat, defrost, and then a knob, 1 to 6. And obviously we've got the two heating grills here. Excellent. And the drawers are obviously not drawers. I think this is kind of cool. You know, yes, it probably is. or was more expensive than it should have been. I'll let you decide what you want to get from Snap-on in order to claim this trophy that everybody is chasing after. Is it? Oh, there's plastic protection. I think it's protection across the chrome bars all along here. I better not pull on it just in case. But anyways, I'll be enjoying this toaster hopefully, and I might even get a chance to record some toasting or popping just so you can see it in action. Thanks for watching. That's my latest Snap-on purchase. Gift, sorry. Credit, whatever you want to call it. Bye bye.